Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. We are your complete and total Toyota resource. Look at this bad boy right here. One of our customers was really into accessorizing, personalizing it, making it his own, right? We've got several accessories to tell you. You're not gonna believe some of these. 2021 Toyota Tundra. This is an SR. It's a 4x4 and it's in Barcelona Red. Let's take about 30 seconds and we'll walk around the truck while we talk about the sole exclusive engine for 2021. It's a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It produces 381 horsepower, 401 pounds of torque. It's matched with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Of course, we'll be getting new powertrain and new power plants for 2022 model. You may see some upgrades already, but we're going to just walk around this beautiful truck and look how that red pops and it sparkles in the sun versus when you're on the opposite side. Let's start with the wheels. Wheel and tire upgrades are big. The appearance, the size of these wheels and tires, it could make the difference of, well, frankly, everything in a vehicle. And it also changes how you feel about your truck or your car or your SUV. Now this says X Series. This is a Southeast Toyota upgrade and it's an appearance package. These are 20-inch Ultra Clash wheels, and you can see that they've got almost like rivet-like type look to it. Very, very cool, very high-tech looking, but it's rugged, right? And then we've got these all-terrain tires as part of the upgrade. These are Nitto Ridge Grappler 275/55 R20 tires. They're rugged, they're tough. You can take these on the trail for sure. This is going to give 4x4 what it's really supposed to be about. The other thing I want you to notice, I think you might be interested in, these caliper covers. They're red, and look, they match that Barcelona red. So that is hot looking, it's sporty, it's sleek, and it really stands out, makes an impression. How are you feeling about the wheel and tire upgrade so far, huh? This Tundra SR is a double cab. It has a standard 6.5 foot bed length, okay? What better way to capitalize on the versatility of this bed than with a tonneau cover? Really, there are two different types of tonneau covers. You can have the soft top, and then you could have the hard shell, which is what this is here. It's very resistant to scratches, dings, things like that. Very durable, and it folds back in tri-fold fashion so that you can get it up and out of the way if you need to use the bed for a different reason. Another thing I'd like to point out is these W drop step boards. And why do they call them W? Well, it drops down and then back up, down and then back up. It's a W. All right, they're easy to step up into, get up into your truck. They look fantastic and they're unique. You don't see these type of boards a lot. Let's get in a little closer. What do you think? Could you see yourself owning these with your truck? Really cool looking, folks. Another option this customer chose to go with, black Emblem overlays. So it takes what would be a red Tundra logo and it made it black. It stands out, it's prominent, as well as 4x4. Do you like this look? I think it looks fantastic. We're gonna be looking at pricing. We're gonna check the whole window sticker. Also look at this black chrome exhaust tip. Has the Toyota symbol on it. This is a very popular feature, and in the whole scheme of things, it's not that big of an expense. Looks great compared to those tires and wheels, or next to those tires and wheels, I should say. What else we got? Well, we've got a spray-in bed liner here. This is great because you can move rocks and gravel and take things to the dump and move it all around and go on family trips without having to worry about scratching, dinging, nicking, scraping. Your cargo area, your bed area. We've got one final feature to tell you about, actually two or three. This right here, double cab, so you can see the room here. And remember, you can adjust the back seats length or legroom space by adjusting the front seats. Move them forward a little bit, more legroom. Move them back, less legroom. Also has handles to get up into the truck. I like that part. This is the back of it, of course, that you can make as an armrest or maybe a drink holder. Look at these though. LED interior light upgrade. This takes those yellow lights and makes them bright white. They're easy to see, they're cool. Cool shade of white, I should say. And they last a long time. A lot of people are going with LED light upgrades. The front seat is a bench. The other thing I'll tell you, these are cloth seats. This customer is upgrading to leather seats with heated seats. So what we do at our dealership, we have a full service accessory department, including leather seats and heated seat upgrades. So we'll just take the covers right off these with our expert Craig. We're going to be doing a one-on-one in-depth interview with Craig where he talks about how to switch these out, what his process is. It's really fascinating. But we're going to take the covers right off the seats themselves, off the headrest, and replace them with leather. We do that here on just about any car. Doesn't have to be new, it can be pre-owned. It can be a different manufacturer as well. Here's the window sticker of the vehicle. We're going to check specifications. We're going to check pricing. 4x4 SR, made in San Antonio, Texas. Barcelona Red with graphite interior. Really good safety ratings. Here's the fuel mileage, up to 17 on the highway, combined to 14. Let's look at standard features because it's a 4x4 SR double cab. Of course, it has the tow haul mode. Toyota Safety Sense P, pre-collision system. See, normally it's 18-inch wheels. Remember, we upgraded to 20-inch. And then it has a 7-inch touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, Sirius XM. This is the factory pricing from the factory. It has a deck rail system on it in the back. We get it delivered to the dealerships all over the country, puts it at $38,700. And then we're gonna look at these upgrades. I know this is something you guys wanna see. What do they cost? So feel free to stop the video and we can show you as long as you want. Let's take a look at these upgrades. They do add up, but it's many, many upgrades, multiple. This one will be $44,400. Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you really enjoyed. Feel free to let us know in the comment section what you thought of this truck itself. Which upgrade or upgrades did you think were most beneficial? Which ones would you want? Which ones are you salivating to put on your truck, your car, your SUV? Which ones did you not care for so much? This will be interesting. Again, thank you, everybody. We really appreciate you being part of our YouTube channel. So hit subscribe if you want to be part of it and see more inventory on a regular basis. We've got lots of unique vehicles to show you all the time. Then you can follow us on social media to see pictures of this bad boy here, or maybe another story about it or something like that. We're on Instagram, Fred Anderson Toyota, Facebook, Fred Anderson Toyota, and you can check our inventory to see this and hundreds of our cars, trucks, SUVs, new and pre-owned, all models, all makes, right? FredAndersonToyota.com. Thanks everyone so much, and we will see you next time.